Checking to see if we've melted the silver. It's going to be interesting. You don't want to turn it off, right?
You want to come from over there. Huh?
What?
We about to check it out. That's about, it's been 14 minutes.
Yep.
Ready? I think you should back up.
Want me to turn it off? You're going to have to turn it off anyway, aren't you? How are you going to see if it's melted when it's burning? Here. There, go. Better hurry, it's going to turn back into a solid.
I can barely see. No, not yet.
Oh, okay. Son of a bitch. Is it a little melted? No. Not at all. Well,
Crucible didn't get hot enough either. It was getting there. Okay.
we're going to have to let it sit.
What? Hey, let's do some adjustments. I'm gonna do some adjusting.
Suppose you run me out of the way.
Do some adjusting. Come over. Need some light. I can't see. Come inside. The block got hot enough though.
Just don't drop my damn phone in there.
No, I ain't. A couple of minor adjustments, folks. See if we can get what we need. That thing, is it hot?
Yeah. Should you put the borax in there before you stick it in?
I did.
Oh.
Okay, now it's like right on it.
Actually, towards the end of the flame is where it's the hottest.
Yeah, that's what. That's what I'm saying. I got it right. What that look like? Come take a peek.
Oh, I'm getting old. Yeah, that'll work.
There you go. Alright. So, we got hot stuff. Okay. We're gonna turn the latch. You back up, Rich. I'm about to light it back up.
Cool, I want to see.
Alright. My insurance don't cover
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Go. Wow. Oh, by the way, the fire department didn't come yet.
Alright, we'll close it up, Rich.
Right on.
Oh, it's right on that crucible too. We might get some feedback on it. This went out.
Is it out?
Yeah.
Why'd that happen?
Let me. It's not blowing. Hold on, I'm gonna lift up.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, okay. It don't look right though. Come look at this. Let me increase the pressure.
It's cool. Fire is cool.
Okay, we're going for another round here. Time checked it. Made an adjustment. If you got any suggestions out there, please feel free to leave me a message on right here. Safety glasses. Can't do nothing but let it grind now.